Now let's cross over to Nyeri, where the disaster committee on the Hillside Endarasha Academy fire incident is meeting to give an update on the situation. The committee, which comprises members from the security sector, education, Red Cross and religious leaders, is co-chaired by the Central Acting Regional Commissioner Pius Morogo and Nyeri Governor Mutahi Kahiga. Clement Masombo is in Nyeri and now joins us live with an update. Masombo, good afternoon. What is the latest?
Well, good afternoon to you, Grace. What we can report so far is that the meeting is still on, and it has been quite a lengthy session. It's a meeting that began at around 10 a.m. and up to now, they are still inside the regional commissioners' boardroom, deliberating on the way forward and, of course, getting briefs and updates on the situation so far. Remember, like you said, this is a meeting that comprises of members from the religious sector, education sector, security team and county government, and it is a meeting chaired by the acting regional commissioner Pius Morogo as well as Mutahi Kahiga, the governor of Nyeri, and they are expecting reports from the DCC Kieni East sub-county, who has been engaging the school management as well as the parents, and of course discussing about a resumption of education, of learning in the school, and that is the Hillside Endarasha Academy, and of course also the regional director of education is also in attendance of the meeting. They also have a representative from the Red Cross Society of Kenya as well as religious leaders who have been offering counseling services to parents and family members of the students or learners who were affected by that tragic fire. Also in attendance is the regional DCI team who are in charge of carrying out DNA tests, and of course they are also expected to give their results or their update on the situation so far, on when to expect the results. Of course, remember, this is an exercise that completed last week, and the parents were asked to be patient for about 7 to 14 days when the DNA results will be out. So from the meeting, we believe that we will be getting an update from the regional commissioner, the regional DCI, as well as the governor and any other relevant authority that might address the press to give us an update of what to expect and when to expect what exactly. So that's why we are pitching tent here, and of course this is a report that we will be preparing in details in our subsequent bulletins later in the day. Grace.
Right, thank you, Masombo, for that update. Of course, that is a story that we are following keen on, and Masombo